Hi, good morning everyone. This is Mark again from International Automotive PH. Welcome to another video. Alright, so for today, dito sa likod ko, meron tayong bagong acquire na project. This is Toyota Rush. I'm actually not sure kung anong year model, pero kung makikita nyo, prepare na yung front bumper niya. Meron siyang minor scratch and dents dito sa part na to. So i-address natin yung buong panel. That's one panel repaint, ladies and gentlemen. So dito naman, today, meron tayong bagong accept na project. This is Honda Civic. If I'm not mistaken, this is 2003 or 2004 model. Kung dumating siya, medyo may problema siya dito sa hood. Nangupas na yung hood niya. And other parts of the mga dents dito. This part. Based from our client, this was already repainted twice. Ang original color nitong Honda Civic nito is color black. So makikita nyo dun sa CR nung paperworks. I think it's black metallic specified. So nag-decide si client back then na ipa-change color to from black to blue. Tingin sa akin roughly mga 5 to 6 years na rin na color blue tong sasakyan, kaso nga lang nag-fade na ulit yung kulay at nangupas na yung clear coating niya. So dito sa part na to may makikita kayong mga umangat na pintura at saka mga bubbles. So yung mga parts na nag-crack, nag-bubbles, umangat, nag-fade, kailangan natin siyang strip. Alright, so ngayon, check naman natin yung under the hood. Alright, so in this part, mapapansin natin medyo maayos pa naman siya, medyo malinis. Siguro ang pinaka-perfect na gagawin dito is lilihanan lang natin yung surface and then magre-re-apply tayo ng same body color. Kasi ang gusto ni client, i-retain yung color blue kasi dun sa documentation niya, papalitan niya na rin yung color nito from black to blue. Alright, so in particular, ang gustong kulay ni client natin is yung Subaru blue naman daw. Alright, so ayun, from time to time magpo-post kami ng updates sa page. Abangan nyo na lang siguro yung magiging progress natin para dito sa full exterior washover nitong Honda Civic. Alright, so for inquiries regarding sa mga ganitong project, just send us a message to our page and check our link down below. Our shop location is at 937 Luis Street, San Miguel, Pasig City, inside the main park. Our contact number is 0998-971-5160. So stay tuned and thank you. Have a great day everyone. Bye.